Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we will do MCQ questions from First Flight and the poem Ball. All of you remember the story First Flight? Hello. You remember the story, the first flight? Hello.
Ma'am,
Hello.
about that seagull.
What?
Ma'am, seagull's story.
Yes, it is the story of the seagull. So the story First Flight is the story of a seagull. The young seagull refused to fly because he was very scared. The young seagull is a coward. The young seagull is a coward and he does not want to fly because of fear, because of lack of self confidence. Seagull को क्या लगता है कि अगर वो उड़ने का कोशिश, if he tries to fly, then wings will not support him and he will fall down. And because of this, he never makes an attempt to fly. What about his other brothers and sisters? सीगल के जो बाकी छोटे भाई बहन हैं, उन लोगों ने उड़ना सीख लिया, लेकिन सीगल जो है वो उसने उड़ना सीखा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मन में डर है कि गिर जाएंगे. When from the cliff he looks at the sea below, then what does he think? That the sea is so deep. If he will try to fly,
I can't
his
see your
wings
screen, ma'am.
क्या? Hello?
I can't see your screen, ma'am.
You leave and rejoin. Screen is visible to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Anuj, you, it is a problem from your end. You just try once again. Okay, so the young seagull did not make attempt to fly because of the fear that was there in his mind, because of the lack of self-confidence that its wings will not support, the wings will not support him. Younger brothers and sisters, their wings are small, but they have learned to fly. And parents are very angry with the seagull. First they persuade him, पहले उसको मनाते हैं कि वो खुद से उड़ना सीखे. और every parent wants to make the child independent. The same is the case with the seagull's parents. Now they cannot keep on giving him food throughout his life. जिंदगी भर तो उसके लिए खाना का इंतजाम वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. They have to teach her to find and catch her own food. So they try to persuade the seagull. वो मनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसको समझाते हैं पहले. But this seagull, she does not listen to her parents. She makes an attempt to fly, but then again goes back to the hole. Then the parents become more angry. वो बहुत गुस्सा हो जाते हैं और उसको थ्रेटन करते हैं कि अगर वो खुद से उड़ना नहीं सीखेगी तो वो लोग उसको खाना नहीं देंगे. And they do the same thing. वो लोग वही करते हैं. They make the seagull starve. And the seagull still does not make any attempt to fly. They don't give him any food for 24 hours. Even after that, the seagull does not make any attempt to fly. And keeps on looking at everyone कि कोई जो है उस पे तरस खा के खाना दे दे. She pretends that she's going to sleep. Then mother comes with a piece of food in her beak. Mother comes near the cliff, लेकिन माँ क्या करती है कि क्लिफ के एकदम पास आके वो abruptly रुक जाती है. Now this seagull not eaten anything from the past 24 hours, mad with hunger. Mad with hunger means what? Intense hunger. She is extremely hungry, intense, uncontrollable hunger. And when she sees the piece of fish is just a little distance away, what does mother do? She comes with a piece of she comes very near to the cliff, then suddenly she stops. Abruptly she stops. Now the seagull, mad with hunger, intense, uncontrollable hunger, he cannot tolerate that intense hunger and
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम आपकी आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this seagull, the seagull is mad with hunger. What does mother do? Mother brings the food, and when she comes very near, जब वो बहुत नजदीक आ जाती है क्लिफ के तो वो अचानक से स्टॉप करती है. Now this seagull is mad with hunger, intense, uncontrollable hunger, and she tries to fly to get that food. And when she tries to fly for a few moments, ऐसा लगता है कि she is going to fall down. For a few moments, there is intense fear in her mind. कुछ देर के लिए बहुत डर जाती है वो. But then she tries to fly and then is successful. When she tries to fly, then she is successful. So mother's plan, it was mother's plan. When mother failed in everything, first she persuaded the seagull. पहले उसने seagull को मनाया, उसके बाद फिर जो है उसको समझाया, उसके बाद फिर उसको threaten किया, खाना नहीं दिया. but everything failed. And when everything failed, then mother made a plan. When she went very near to the cliff, all of a sudden she stopped. And then this seagull at that moment, in that uncontrollable, intense hunger, at that moment she did not think that what will happen. And she came forward to get the food, and then she started falling. And when she started falling, then she moved her wings. And when she started moving, in this way, she learned to fly. So, and then all the family is very happy. They together, they move on the sea and they catch fish. And the brothers and sisters also, they are very happy. Brothers and sisters have already learned to fly. Now they are perfecting the flight. Okay, so this is the story of the seagull. Then we will also do the MCQ questions of the poem Ball. The poem Ball is about the loss of possessions in one's life. Loss of possessions in one's life. And through the medium of a boy who has lost his ball, the poet tells us about the life of human beings. The poet tells us that loss is a part and parcel of the life of every human being. हर आदमी के जीवन में कभी ना कभी ऐसा मौका आता है जब वो अपनी बहुत ही कीमती चीज को खो देता है. But that doesn't mean that life comes to a standstill. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लाइफ स्टॉप हो जाता है. You have to get over the loss and move on in life. This is the message that the poet is giving through the poem Ball. हाँ कि लॉस जो है वो पार्ट एंड पार्सल है लाइफ का. लेकिन आदमी को क्या करना चाहिए ऐसा सिचुएशन में? He should try to get over the loss. He cannot just get immersed in the loss. He has to get over the loss and then move on in life. And this message the poet is giving us by giving us an example of a small boy. A small boy is playing with the ball, and the ball bounces in the street and it goes and falls in the water. Now this boy, he is very sad. It's very natural. छोटा सा लड़का है और बॉल था, बचपन से वो उस बॉल से खेल रहा था. And this ball suddenly goes and falls in the water. The boy is very sad, very upset. Continuously he is looking at the ball. And that ball is very special to him. वो बॉल उसके लिए बहुत स्पेशल है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी बचपन की यादें जुड़ी हुई है उस बॉल से. He has been playing with the ball right from his childhood. So the childhood memories are associated with the ball. And when the ball all of a sudden falls in water, he is very upset. He is a small boy and he is experiencing loss in life for the first time. ये छोटा लड़का जो है वो पहली बार loss का experience कर रहा है. And he is very, very sad. Now the poet can go and console the boy. वो चाहे तो जाके उसे दिलासा दे सकता है, सांत्वना दे सकता है. But he does not do so. The poet does not console the boy. Why? Because he wants the boy to become responsible. He wants the boy to learn this harsh truth of life, that he will lose things now and then. Life में बहुत बार ऐसा chance होगा जब when he will lose his possessions. Many times in the life, there will come a chance when he will lose his loved ones. But then he has to get over this loss himself. And the poet wants to make this boy responsible person who can cope up with his loss by himself. That is why he does not go and interfere with the boy. And he says even that the ball is not very expensive, just 1 dime. Ball का कोई खास कीमत भी नहीं है. But then that ball is special. Though it may not be costly, it is special because the boy's emotions are attached with the ball. The boy's emotions are attached with the ball, so he is very desperate, hopeless. But this incident makes the boy realize a truth of life, that losing possessions, losing close ones is a part and parcel of life. But what should you do? You should take care of one's possession, and you should not lose hope. If you lose something, it is a part of life. You have to move on. You have to move forward with courage. So this is the lesson that the boy learns after losing his ball. So now you can answer the questions. Who is the poet of the ball poem?
Ma'am, John Berryman.
Okay, so the poet of the poem Ball is John Berryman. What is the boy playing with? Bat, ball, car, bus.
Ball.
Ma'am, ball.
So
Ma'am,
the
ball.
boy is playing with the ball. Where does the ball go? Drain,
Ma'am,
where
water.
Water.
Ma'am,
Water.
water.
the ball goes and falls in the water. What does a ball cost?
1 dime.
1 dime.
1 dime.
Ma'am,
1 dime.
1 dime. A dime, what is mentioned in the poem? A dime. So 1 dime. Okay. How does the child react?
Ma'am, all of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Yes, all of them. Stands rigid, trembles, stares. लगातार वो बॉल को देख रहा है, उसके पैर कांप रहे हैं और वो बिल्कुल रिजिड है, कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है, because he is so shocked. Okay, according to the poet, what is the child learning? According to the poet, what is the child
To
learning?
bear loss.
To bear loss.
Ma'am, option A.
To be a lot.
To bear loss. Yes, to bear loss. According to the okay. Does the poet console the ball? Boy, sorry. Does the poet
No.
console the boy? जाके वो खाना देते हैं?
No. No.
Yes, the answer is no. He does not go and console the boy because he wants to make the boy responsible. So the answer is no. The poet does not go and console the boy. पोएम में एक लाइन है, I would not intrude on him. What line tells us that the poet does not console the boy? I would not intrude on him. What is the meaning of intrude? Tell me someone. Intrude का meaning क्या है?
To enter without permission.
Yes, to enter without permission. This line tells us that the poet does not interfere with the boy. He does not console him. Okay, why does the poet decide not to console the boy? Why does the poet decide not to
It will
console
be
the
of no
boy?
use.
Ma'am,
Option C.
It will be
beating.
of no use.
It will be of no use. The poet does not console the boy because he knows that it is no use to console the boy. Huh? So it will be of no use. That is the answer. Okay. Name the literary device used in merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over there it is in water.
Ma'am, what does the last option mean?
Anaphora. Anaphora is repetition.
And so the answer is C.
Merrily bouncing down the street
And the
and
merrily
then
word is continuously repeated.
there it is in water. Alliteration is not there.
Alliteration होता है.
Alliteration हो सकता है ना. Merrily bouncing and then merrily.
मैम 2 बार merrily MM है तो.
हाँ तो alliteration ही होगा. 2 बार merrily है. Okay. Name the literary device used in and no one buys a ball back. No one buys a ball back. And no one buys a ball back.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am,
This is also
Ma'am,
alliteration.
C. Ma'am, C.
Ball and back. No one buys a ball back. This is also alliteration. Okay. Who is the author of First Flight?
Ma'am, A.
Option A.
Lime of clarity.
Yes. Author of First Flight is Liam O'Flaherty. First Flight. Who is the author of Black Aeroplane?
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B.
Option B.
Option B, Frederick Forsyth. Okay. The lesson his first flight is about pilot, seagull,
Ma'am,
parrot,
pilot.
pigeon.
Pilot.
Ma'am, pilot.
First flight. Black aeroplane ना pilot के बारे
Ma'am,
में है.
seagull.
Ma'am, parrot.
Seagull.
सीगल
Ma'am,
के
sea-
बारे में है. दो स्टोरी
seagull.
है.
Ma'am, seagull.
देखो मेन चैप्टर का नाम है 2 stories about flying. और उसी 2 stories about flying है, उसमें 2 पार्ट है. One is first flight and other is black aeroplane. So lesson first flight is about the seagull. Then black aeroplane is about pilot. So the lesson first flight is about the seagull. 2 stories about flying you have, and then why was he afraid to fly? Why was the seagull afraid to
And
fly?
both
He
1
was
and
a
2.
coward.
Both
Both
one
one and
One and two.
Yes, both 1 and 2. First, he was a so both 1 and 2. First, he was a coward, and the second is he was afraid his wings will not support him. Okay. What did his parents threaten him with if he
MC.
did
Ma'am, C.
Starve him.
Ma'am, to
Yes.
start.
Ma'am, to starve him.
Yes, option C, to starve him. Parents said that they will not give him any food, and they did so also. They threatened to make him starve if he did not make any attempt to fly, and they did not give him food. What were his parents teaching his brothers and sisters? To perfect the art of flying, to skim
Ma'am,
the waves.
A.
All
Ma'am,
of,
A.
all of the above.
Read all the options, all of the above. They were teaching them to perfect the art of flying, also to skim the waves, and also to dive for fish. Okay. The sight of dash maddened him. Brothers flying, his siblings. So you know the meaning of siblings?
My
What is the
brothers and sisters.
Ma'am, brothers and sisters.
Own
Siblings,
sister.
brothers and sisters. So the sight of dash maddened him. Brothers flying,
Food.
The sight of food maddened him. Yes. When mother brought the food very near to the cliff and stopped all of a sudden, what happened? The seagull, intense and uncontrollable hunger maddened him. Okay. What urged him to make his first flight? So, what urged him to make his first flight? One
Hunger.
option is what urged him to make his first, और options देखते हैं क्या क्या है. What urged him to make his first flight? One option is hunger. What is the other option? Sight of fish, courage, both 1 and 2. Now you tell.
Both one and two.
Ma'am, both
Both
1 and 2.
1 and 2 होगा. Both 1 and 2. Hunger and sight of fish. What urged the seagull to make his first flight? This is the question. And first option was hunger and sight of fish. So both 1 and 2. Okay. Why did his mother stop midway while giving him the fish?
Option B.
Ma'am, B.
She was mad at him to push him to fly out of hunger. She didn't want to give him the fish. She got tired. Yes, option B, to push him to fly out of hunger. Option B, to push him to fly out of hunger. The little black aeroplane is based on the aeroplane that helped the pilot.
And the aeroplane that helps the pilot. The pilot. Arey.
Aeroplane in the storm is
This is a bit confusing, isn't it? The little black aeroplane is based on the
option C.
Ma'am, option C.
Yes,
All
option
of the above.
Ma'am, option C.
Okay. So actually, it should be all of the above. Okay. Let it be all of the above. सब तो है. The pilot was flying from dash to dash. England to France, England to India, France to England, France to India. Hello? Hello?
France to England.
Ma'am, France to England.
France to England. He was going to England, where his family also lived. And that was the reason why he took the risk also. He took the risk because he wanted to enjoy breakfast with his family. What was the pilot looking forward to? To reach his destination, to meet his family, his holidays, both 2 and 3.
Both
Both 2
Ma'am,
and 3.
both 2 and 3. Ma'am, both 2 and 3.
Yes, both 2 and 3, to reach his destination and also to meet his family. To reach his destination and meet his family. Which control station did he contact on his way? Paris,
Paris.
India.
Ma'am, Paris. Paris.
Yes, it is mentioned in the story. Control room Paris is mentioned in the story. So which control station did he contact on his way? Paris.
Paris.
They look like black mountains standing in front. Options are not given. They look like black mountains standing in front. front of me across the sky. So what look like black mountains? Black mountains, storm clouds, rail building, tall buildings, black plateau. What look
Storm
like black
clouds.
mountains? Storm clouds. Yes, storm clouds is the correct answer. Storm clouds. What risk did the pilot take? So when he saw the storm clouds, did he return back?
No, ma'am.
So what will be the right answer? Flying back to Paris, missing the breakfast, took no risk, flying his old Dakota straight into the storm.
Last option.
What risk did the pilot take? So he flying his old Dakota straight into the storm. So he took the risk and he entered in the dark storm clouds because he was very eager to meet his family and have a family breakfast. So he took the risk and he flew his Dakota straight into the storm. What instruments had stopped working during the storm?
And both of them.
Both of them.
Yes, both. First, the compass stopped functioning. Then he tried to contact the control room, and then he found out that even the radio was not working. So both of them. Option C. What was the pilot not sorry about? What was the pilot not sorry about? Missing his holiday, driving the plane into the storm, risking the lives of fellow passengers, both 2 and 3. ये क्या हो गया?
Ma'am, both 2 and 3.
Yes, both 2 and 3.
I'm both 2 and
Yes, both 2 and 3. He was not sorry about risking the lives of fellow passengers. Yes, yes, Avinash, your answer is correct. Both 2 and 3. Driving the plane into the storm. Okay, what did the seagull pretend was happening to him so that he could take his first flight? What did the seagull pretend was happening to him so that he could take his first flight?
Option C.
He was falling asleep. Yes, he pretended to fall asleep. He buried the neck. He buried his beak under his neck and pretended that he was falling asleep. What food did the seagull's mother get for it? Earthworm, fish, insects, rodents.
Fish.
Yes, she brought a fish in her beak. What happened to the screen? Okay. What was the pilot not? ये तो हो गया था ना. Next page. This is the last page, I think. Okay, so hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Problem is there in the screen.
Okay,
so you are aware of writing section portion. What all do you have to study in the writing section?
Ma'am, later. Complaint letter.
So in the writing section, you have 4 kinds of letter. A letter to editor, then complaint letter, then letter for placing order, and letter for inquiry. Okay. So in formal letter, you have to study 4 kinds of letter: complaint, editor, then inquiry, and letter for placing order. So we have done all the 4 kinds of letter, I think. Is anything left out? Order, I told you how to write it with all the tables. You have to mention all the items in proper tables with the serial number. And then you have to mention the date and the place where you want the item to be delivered. All those things you have to mention. Then in letter to editor, you are aware, letter to editor is to be written in how many paragraphs? Hello? Okay, I will send the writing section formats. Letter to editor written in how many paragraphs? Tell me.
3.
3 paragraphs. So in the first paragraph, you just introduce your problem. In the second paragraph, details about the problem. And in the third paragraph, a request to solve the problem with your own suggestions. Then you have analytical paragraph. So tomorrow we will do one question on analytical paragraph. Oh. And in analytical paragraph, you may get a bar graph or pie chart or any data in the form of table. And you just have to interpret that and write a paragraph based on that.
मैम एक बार brief description दे दीजिएगा.
और ठीक है, एक बार तो दिए थे, फिर से रिपीट कर देंगे उसको. Okay, formats of all the 4 kinds of letter I will send on the WhatsApp group. Okay. And then analytical paragraph, and in the literature section marking scheme, all of you know, MCQ questions, short type questions, long type questions, 2 marks MCQ questions, then 2 marks question, then 3 marks question, and then long type questions. Okay.
हाँ मैम.
Okay. Okay, so I'm ending the class now. Tomorrow we will revise analytical paragraph once again. We have done it, but it needs lot of practice. It is a new thing for you. So it needs to be practiced again and again. So we will do one more question. And okay. Okay, so bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.